Ever feel stuck staring at your notes thinking, how am I supposed to remember all of this? Let me tell you a little secret used by one of the most brilliant minds of the last century, Richard Feynman. He was a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, but more importantly, he knew how to make even the most complex ideas simple. That's what the Feynman Technique is all about. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick something you want to really understand. Not just memorize for the test, actually get it. Dive into your books, watch videos, take notes. Step 2. Grab a sheet of paper and pretend you're teaching the topic to someone else. Seriously, explain it like you're talking to a friend who's never heard of it before. If you stumble or get confused, don't worry. That's actually perfect. That brings you to step 3. Find the gaps in your understanding. Every time you get stuck, go back to your source material. Fill in those blanks. Then try to teach it again. The magic happens in step 4. Simplify. Can you break it down using plain everyday words? Could a 10-year-old understand you? Use analogies, doodles, whatever it takes. If your explanation gets too complicated or you start rambling, yep, time to review and clarify again. The real power of the Feynman technique isn't just in learning for exams, it's in building a deep, lasting understanding. If you can explain something simply, you truly know it. So next time you're stuck, don't just read your notes, try teaching them. Unlock your brain's potential, Feynman style. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you can't explain it, you don't really get it yet.